roast sweet potato and the jerk pork, yardman style. What's up? What going now, my beautiful peeps? Big up on yourself whether on the yard or abroad. In a real life. In the pot, you know, me have some onion, scallion, pimenta seed, pepper, garlic. Yeah, man, I have them a boiling in some water. I'm throwing some seasoning in the water too, so that's why you see it have that color there. Yeah, man, some scallion and onion. Outdoor cooking, yardman style. When I say yardman style, this is what I mean. This is how we do it a yard, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, outdoor cooking. Ashes a pot. Get your fire thick, catch up your fire, put on your pot. Yeah, man. That's how I deal with. So another water here now, peeps. Me have in salt, me have in seasoning. As you see, onion, garlic, and pepper. In the night, I'm want to grill a piece of pork. Yeah. Feeling hungry, and me is like, yo, let's take the pork out of the fridge and grill it. You know, man, see? In the fridge, it there, you know, well tough, my peeps. Yeah, man. Well tough. So right now, this, I'm going to grill it. Yardman style. Yeah, man, wash them off. I'm going to put it in the boiling water. Throw some browning over it. Because this is how I'm going to scald off my pork before I jerk it. So, I'm going to jerk my pork, but I scald it off first. In some seasoned water. You can put whatever you want in your water when you season up your pork. Or if you want, you don't have to even scald it off. You can just put it on the grill. But me like to scald it off and make it actually cook around 40%. Then when you go up on the grill do the rest of the work. So I'm going to clean it up here now. Got the pipe, wash it off. Then I come and drop it in the pot. Throw some browning, stir it. Give it at least 20 minutes. Then I take it off and put it on the grill. Yardman style. You know them way there? Yeah, man, pretty. Now I wash off. Clean and nice. Come like ribs. Yeah, man, pork ribs, you know, see it there? Yeah, man, put it in the water, you know? Yardman style. So remember, you got to season up the water and put in your salt and whatever season you want or whatever spice you want. Yeah, man. So I put in my season, the browning now. You got to tip a little browning. Very strong, the plate gone. Yeah, man, the browning now, you tip a little browning in the water. You don't want too much because you don't want it to black. Yes. So when it's colored now, that catch that little brown color there. See, just look funny. Yes, that little brown pretty color there. Yeah, man, it's gonna catch that color there and cook for at least 25 minutes. Depends how tough the pork is, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, because I can say I cook my one for 25 minutes and you when you cook it for 25 minutes and you just want to cook. So it's all about how tough the pork is. But this is a young pig, as you can see. So I know it's not gonna take no whole heap of time. Cover up the pot here now and make the fire and the pot do the work. Yardman style. Sunrise Boss production. See where the pot are going with there now. Alright. Start bubble up, you know. And you know, say, we just put in piece more, you know. Yeah, man, we're going to the fridge to take out piece more peeps and put in because me I say me know somebody I go pass by. And then again, through more and pepper. And me I say I go call Percy for pepper in the night. Yeah. So me know Percy I go want jerk pork too. But see look, say take time I catch the color. Yeah man, so make sure go in the fridge, take out a piece more here. So I'm sure so me have enough pork can full my belly. And if you notice, the pork itself, it do not season up. That's why you gotta season up the water where the pork has scald off, you know. So in this water, you know, a whole heap of seasoning, like both powder seasoning and both natural seasoning like onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, them thing there. Yeah man, but you have to put in powder seasoning, like peeps. So when the water boil up and go all over, the meat and soak in it, yes, you know, say have it taste nice. Yeah man, fully active. This is how we do it in Jamaica, yardman style. Fire ketchup, fully active. It's a good look man. Please a blow, love the vibes. Man, see, season, jerk season, this you know. See, just doing like this. So water start boil up, it's good. Only per season of the water already, but me just show you how we season the water. Me don't want to put too much season because that can make your food over season and it now go taste nice. Yes. So just leave them you know, make the fire on the pot, go do the work. Then after the jerk pan, finish the rest. This is how I grill my pork and trust me, it's gonna nice. Need some Scotch bonnet pepper, so I need to call Percy. If you bring me some pepper, cause I have good amount of pepper in my yard. It's a very windy night. When the fire blow. Yeah man, fire blowing peeps. That for sure say the place windy. Very windy. All heap of flames. They're under the pot so meat a bubble. Yeah, sorry, meat a bubble, it's a good look. Yeah man, it's a good look man. Fire thick. Fire thick it peeps. Pork is a very tough meat, you know. So that's why I like to do my pork like this before I jerk it. Because if you don't do it like this, to me it's gonna take up a lot of time. I may not have so much time. Turn this up. Yes. The pork take time. I catch the color already. See that? Take time I catch the color already. It's pretty. Cover back the pot here now. And make it go cook down. Okay, is a seat of beefs. Percy can pepper then come. Say, or go, me see a piece of pork for you still.
We are the Rasta here, people need pork.
And me and the Rasta no people, we just put in here. Yeah man, so see that Percy can pepper then come give me. So I'm going to drop in the pepper in a pot here now cause jerk pork fi have pepper. Boss got some okra too. Know what I mean? You want to see? Going back down the street there. In a real life. What going on? 45. Big boy. check his skin here now. See if the fork can go through it. Cause I saw you know when you almost cooking up peep. What you see? Yeah man, this right can catch up the jerk pan here now, you know. Jerk pork in the night, yeah. The man see pepper them there. So you know say it well peppery and nice. The man pork ribs. This I go up on the grill. Catch up the grill fire, you know. And take them out of the water, yeah. Put on the grill. Yardman style. Sunrise Boss production. See how them look. The browning help give them that little color there. Because if you just boil them in the plain water and not put no browning, your pork would have white. So put them up on the grill now. Just put on some lime leaf tea too, you know, peeps, because as you can see, breeze are blowing at night, yeah? Night chilly. So Yardman style, make a cup of tea while the jerk pan I go and catch up so I can start grill the pork. So I have some lime leaf here, so make some tea in the night, yeah? The man cover up the pot and make the fire and the pot do the work. The good old lime leaf. Yes, jerk pan ketchup, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, see that fire burn red. Pork there up here, so. Yeah, man, take out pork here now and put on grill and make the grill and the fire go do the work. Yeah, man, so right here, so now I make them a steer and jerk. Yardman style. One of them, I'm gonna take out like my scallion, my pepper, anything we can find in the water and put over it. This a pork here go taste nice and me I go full jar it. Me I go full jar this a pork here, my peeps. Cause no whole heap of mouth no there. I just me, myself and I. See, it's a good look. So I'm just going to take off this from up here, so, and close the jerk pan. Make the fire and the pan do the work. Yeah, man, now watch the area over there, so. You see, as soon as the fire touch them are go burn off. That's why I like the jerk pork. Cause anything with the pan, as from the fire touch it, have to burn off. Tea must done boil now, you know. Have a sweet potato here, so to go and roast. Can eat with me jerk pork, Yardman style. Alright, look at that. Tea well boiled, sweet meat here now. Yeah man, that amount of sugar they good. Yardman style, you know, peeps. So we sweeten with tea. Have my cup. Throw in my cup more. Some lime leaf in it too. Yes. And it's well hot, you know. So I just take time go and sip him, or you put him down, make him cool a little bit. But that is my lime leaf tea, my peeps. Tea bad. Lime leaf tea. You see pork there? Pork there, sir, no? Tea nice, man. I'll show you where pork are going with. So where pork are going with, jerk pan a work, man. You know what I mean? Let me start get little color here now. So it's a good look. Soon get the knife and dice them up fine. Throw them back on the grill. So I know everything grill nice. See all the ribs them, get the knife and cut up the ribs. Yeah, I'm soon show you how I deal with the peeps. They're looking good, pretty. Pork almost ready now, my peeps. I'm gonna cut them up fine so the fire can penetrate through them. You see that? Pork looking pretty. Almost ready. Bring on the sweet potato too. Man, it's soft and ready to go. Next time you see me, I'm gonna eat some pork with my sweet potato. Dinner vibes. Yes, I see. Pretty. Final touch this, peeps. Yardman style, Breeze strong. Roast sweet potato and the jerk pork. Yardman style. Pretty. Time for digging it now, my peeps. I end the video. Sweet potato. Wow. Sweet potato, nice. Pork. What nice. Looking nice sauce. Just pork about people. Nah, guys. Bam. Peeps. Wow. Yes, man, taste the pepper. Yeah, man. Just do like to subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend. Pork and nice. Sweet potato, nice to cook. Nice. Just do like and subscribe to the channel. Never find a seat and all. I sit down and finish. Eat me jerk pork. Nice. Percy there now. Oh, a cutlass.
Yes, man. So
And buckle. You full jelly water.
Yeah, man. Cutlass, baby, my boy.
Yeah, man, see thing.
Oxtails, my boy.
Yeah, peeps, so we pick up Percy, you know. So, you know, say. I go down on the road, you know. Yeah, pork that one.
Yeah, pork. Oh, if you press all the mango.
It is in the fridge, so you know, say it kind of get toughish. Yeah, peeps, I put that to me jerk in the last video.
But for 2 man, you don't kind of cool, but...
Yeah, man, talk cool. Yeah, sweet, so. I go down on the road, you know. I'm reaching the bush, show you what I go on. I want to see that jelly I dropped. Just do a Lego stick. See this? This reminds me of back in the days watch out of my shorts me take you know. Because I have to tie up my bag. I wonder how sunrise I go lift up this bag of jelly here. Now go see. This remind me of back in the days and time. I want money. And I have to go to bush. Go look things to go sell. There are some bag of coconut and jelly back in the days and time. Some breed a tree to make money peeps. And I'm not normally mad. So I have to give thanks to Father God for where me there now. Because back in the days, never pretty. So you see if you out there right now, after I do this, you see me just I do a video and a show, no? Don't give up. A life. We used to do it. You see it. Better days coming. We're not born rich. We're born with ambition, so we're not going to sit down broke. Sit down and broke when you can go in the bush, go hunt some food and something and go sell. So don't feel no way if you sell some jelly now or some breadfruit or some guinea up in the street. Better days coming, because at one point that man is doing now. But look at me now. Like how you look for me now, I lift this bag. Now all on my back to a one door, I lift this bag, but yeah. Boy, I look all bored funny. And I see him bag, me I look funny now, me I look right and me I look left. But just I look how me can lift it up, alright? Yes, peeps, it's like man. Me don't go look maga, you know, man. But man strong, you know, man. See that? Yard man style, through bush gone. Yeah, man, I saw you do it, man. See, pray. Fully active.